मैं रीमा दीवान हूँ। मैं दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल चंडीगढ़ की प्रिंसिपल हूँ। हम जो इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं उसका नाम है लीगल कॉन्क्लेव संविधि और उसका 5th एडिशन है, जो कि इस मंथ के अगस्त में 25th और 26th अगस्त को है। बेसिकली द पर्पस वाज कि बहुत देर पहले वे बैक 1990s में when India में the concept of Model United Nations started. So we people in the top schools of Delhi were involved with Model United Nations. So over a period of time you wanted to have a platform for public speaking, but something a little different for the children, right? And that is the time जब हमने सोचा कि हम इस प्लेटफॉर्म को एक डिफरेंट रूप दें, एक डिफरेंट डायमेंशन दें. And therefore from the Model United Nations we moved on to this conclave, which is a legal conclave, because I also feel कि the coming generation, अगर आप देखें तो conflict, aggression, ये सारी चीजें इतना पार्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट लाइफ, पार्ट ऑफ एवरीबडीज लाइफ इतना ज्यादा है कि आई थिंक हमको इसके साथ साथ बच्चों को दी अवेयरनेस कि फ्रॉम द लीगल लिटरेसी एंगल what is right, what is not right, what is the legal recourse for things, they should have the knowledge of that. And more importantly, I feel कि आज के जमाने में mediation is something that is a very, very important tool that children should know. It is one of the major life skills कि आप mediation करके चीजों को कैसे solve कर सकते हैं. So when we talk in terms of brainstorming, when we talk in terms of solutions, तो एक ये प्लेटफॉर्म जिसपे हम लीगल लिटरेसी ले आते हैं, सो हम बच्चों को कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के बारे में बताते हैं और कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रेजोल्यूशन के बारे में बताते हैं. सो द peer mediation becomes a very, very important area है. And that was the purpose with which we started Samvidhi. Today, I think it has become one of those events in the Tri-City where children look forward, right? Like you have some schools which have their Model United Nations, which have become an annual feature. You have schools which have parliamentary debates, which have become an annual feature. So I think we have this unique feature called as the legal conclave, which has become a unique feature of the school. And this year also, we have more than 300 participants participating in this event from not only the Tri-City, from outside the Tri-City also. And we have a large number of people from the legal fraternity जो इन events को judge करेंगे. So whether it is debating, whether it is quizzing, whether it's a moot court, हर चीज जो है उसमें स्किल्स वही टेस्ट होंगे जो MUN में होते हैं. क्या होता है बेसिकली, हम बच्चों की कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, कोलैबोरेशन स्किल्स, हाउ दे कैन वर्क इन अ टीम, यू नो, एंड हम बेसिकली जिन्हें कहते हैं कि दीज आर द 21st century skills. Creative thinking, critical thinking, collaboration, communication. So इन्हीं चीजों पे फोकस करते हैं, whether we are preparing them for a Model United Nations, whether we are preparing them for a debate or an extempore competition or a parliamentary debate. So the legal conclave also has exactly the same purpose कि हर साल जिस लेवल पे लीगल क्विज जाता जा रहा है, जिस लेवल पे the level of debating is going on, the rebuttal rounds that are there, हमको देख के इतना अच्छा लगता है कि बच्चे जो हैं वो किस लेवल की लीगल स्टडी इस एज में भी करके आते हैं. सो दे नो कि ये एक्ट्स इन्वॉल्व हैं, ये एंड हम नॉर्मली टॉपिक्स ऐसे चुनते हैं जो उनकी दुनिया के अराउंड हो. So I think somewhere It is not only about communication and public speaking. Somewhere I think it is also taking away a lot of knowledge जो ये नहीं पता कि किस टाइम पे कब उनकी जिंदगी में काम आ सके. So I think the legal conclave has also become a life skills training for these children. Whatever registration fees is done, let me tell you, that does not suffice for the event, because the amount that is paid back in terms of cash prizes, the amount that is paid or the way the children are taken care of, अगर वो 2 दिन हमारे पास हैं तो हमने मॉर्निंग से लेके रात तक उनके सारे मील्स सब कुछ देखना है. So basically, if I say, I think we are a school, we charge very nominally for the kind of facilities that we are providing them for the 2 days. People who are absolutely experts in those areas will be the judges. There is one more benefit. उसका ये फायदा होता है कि वो जजमेंट के साथ साथ बच्चों को गाइडेंस भी देते हैं कि दिस इज वेयर यू कुड हैव डन बेटर, दिस इज वेयर यू नो this is the lacuna which could have been taken care of. So for everything, जो उस एरिया के relevant लोग हैं, they will be the people who are the judges. But there is not a single judge from DPS. And right from the beginning, हमारा ground rule यही था कि DPS के बच्चे participate कर सकते हैं, but they will not be eligible for prizes.